Do you have a complete view of your plant hierarchy or the time and resources to understand all of your assets? Do you have precise life cycle information on those assets and understand what's modern, discontinued, or obsolete? Do you have sufficient spares or have a migration plan to alleviate risks that come with aging assets? If the answer to any of those questions is no, then you're a perfect candidate for an installed base evaluation or IBE. Hi, I'm James Allen, an on-site service technician with Electric Supply and Equipment. I'm here to help you understand what IBEs are and the benefits they provide. Considering today's concerns regarding supply chain issues and long lead times, it is more important than ever to protect your operation from extended downtime and yourself from the stress associated with these ongoing issues. In coordination with Rockwell Automation, an IBE provides you a comprehensive report that analyzes your plant's assets and provides insight to help you avoid extended downtime and help plan for the future. An IBE provides complete plant asset lifecycle analysis, giving you a broader, more detailed understanding of your plant hierarchy and individual asset risk by line, machine, panel, and catalog number. You'll also get asset inventory, which provides a summary of sufficient or insufficient spares and recommended spares based on your plant operation and mean time between failure. You will also receive a report on each panel's condition, noting any environmental, wiring, grounding, networking, and arc flash labeling concerns. There are 4 levels to choose from for the IBE, which can include Rockwell, non-Rockwell, repairable, and consumable assets. This allows us to provide an analysis based on your individual plant needs. As an option, you can gain access to a subscription portal known as My Equipment. This allows for dynamic interaction with your installed base data to get enterprise level and asset inventory reports. In conclusion, the IBE is a perfect solution to help you optimize your plant's operations and assets today and to plan for the future. Thanks for your time, and please reach out to me or your ES&E account manager to learn how an installed base evaluation can help take some of the stress out of your job.